Welcome to Inside Jayco. My name is John McDonald. Today we're going to discuss the Green Certification Program. And to help us learn more about that, we're going to go talk to Daryl Bontrager, President and COO of Jayco. Come on.
John, how are you?
Good. For starters, Daryl, can we talk about how far back Jayco's concerns for the environment go?
Sure, the concerns go way back in the beginning. I mean, when we started the business in 1968, we've always been concerned about not only the environment, because we produce a product to enjoy the environment, we've also been concerned about all of our employees' well-being, and we think the two go hand in hand. This whole green thing is a way for us to make that statement publicly, and it's something we believed in since the beginning of the company.
And how does Jayco differ from other organizations or other companies in the industry that consider themselves as green?
Well, we went through a certification process with T.R. Arnold, who's a third-party certification agency, and they're using standards taken from the building industry, from commercial and residential building. And many companies, not just in our industry, but throughout America today, are saying they're green. And I think the message has gotten real diluted, and I'm not sure anybody really understands what green means anymore. It's just been, you can't go a day without hearing the message of green over and over again. And we decided it's time to put our best foot forward and have an outside independent party coming in to say, yes, you are green, instead of just saying we're green.
Well, there you have it. From Daryl Bontrager, President and CEO of Jayco. Now we're going to head out to the plant and talk to Dave Turner from engineering. We're in Plant 62 here on the main Jayco campus. We're continuing our discussion about the Green Certification Program, and we're going to chat a little bit this morning with Dave Turner, who's our Chief Corporate Engineer here at Jayco. But Dave, the temptation, since this is a recent development, this formal certification program, might be for some people to think that Jayco has suddenly gone green, when in fact there are a number of things that we've been doing for the past 20 or 25 years that would earn us that title. Can you speak to that, please?
Yes, that is a true statement, John. We've been heavily involved in recycling since 1988. We recycle pretty much everything we can that comes into place. Wood, paper, as well as aluminum, copper, steel, the things that you would normally think of recycling. Some of the items that there isn't necessarily a market for, we grind up and we make bedding for local farmers, just again to get another use out of the material rather than just throwing it away and filling up the landfill. We've also worked with the utilities within our buildings. We have computer programs that regulate the lighting and the heating so that we only heat and light the buildings when necessary. Automatically goes up and down, saves money, saves utilities, saves energy. We've also worked with our suppliers to use returnable packaging as much as possible. There's a good example right over here. You can see these plastic skids that the items come in on. These will be returned to the suppliers. New items will be put on them and sent back to them rather than throwing them away. We've also worked with our wood suppliers to encourage the use of woods coming from sustainable forest, where the trees are grown, harvested, replanted, and regrown so that they're not going in and clear cutting, and it's just a lot better for the environment.
And there you have it, a little bit more about our green story here on Inside Jayco. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something. Hope you'll come back and join us again.